Windows 10 Desktop. Desktop is the main screen of the Windows 10 operating system. There are three components: taskbar, icons, and desktop background. Icons. An icon is a picture or graphic representation of an application or a file. If you want to open or access an icon, double-click on it. This PC, folder, recycle bin. Sorting icons. Sorting the icons means arranging the icons on the desktop. To sort the icons, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on any blank area of the desktop. From the pop-up menu that appears, click on Sort by option. Step 2. A sub-menu appears. Click any option to arrange the icons in that order. Taskbar. The most important component of the desktop is the taskbar. By default, it is present at the bottom of the screen. It has the Start button, Opened Programs, and the Notification area. Start menu. To search for an application, open the Start menu. An alphabetical list of all the applications installed on the computer appears. To open Start menu, click on Start button. The Windows 10 Start menu has two panes, left pane and right pane. The left pane displays a list of programs. A program is also called an app in Windows 10. The right pane features tiles. A tile is an application icon. Notification area. The notification area is located at the right side of the taskbar. It shows different types of notifications for your computer, such as your internet connection or the volume level. By default, the notification area shows only a few icons, but you can click the upward arrow on its left side to see the other options. Open Programs. Open Programs are those applications which are currently running. These are located as buttons on the taskbar. Desktop Background. Desktop background is the image that appears at the back of your icons. Most computers come with a default Windows 10 background, but you can change it to any image you want. Changing desktop background. To change the background, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the background and choose Personalize. A settings dialog box appears. Step 2. Click on Background in the left pane. Step 3. Click on arrow located below the background option in the right pane. Select Picture option from the drop-down list. Step 4. Select any picture from the display. Step 5. A preview of the desktop with the selected picture appears in the window. After choosing a picture, the background will change automatically.